As a virtual workspace and a productivity app, Notion allows anyone from students to business owners to save their thoughts to the cloud while organizing their workspace in a way that works best for them. Templates can help speed up the workflow by giving you some structure to get your thoughts going. If you're looking for how to set a template page that creates a carbon copy of itself with just one click, you've come to the right guide. If you want to make a page you own a template, navigate to the page and click on the Share button at the top right. Then toggle on Share to Web. If you wanted to share this page as a template for other users, you're all set. Sending them the link to this page will allow them to view it and duplicate it to their own workspace by clicking on Duplicate at the top right of the page. Likewise, you can use the same technique should you want to use another user's template in your own workspace and pages. To use this page as an easy-to-use template yourself, you'll have to set up a template button on a separate page. To do this, click on Copy Link under Share and navigate to the page you want to host a template on. Once there, add a new block by clicking on an empty space. Type /template and hit Enter to bring up the Configure a Template button. From here, rename what you want your template button to display, clear the contents lower box, then paste a link selecting Link to Page on the menu that pops up. Clicking this link creates a new subpage under the page hosting the link. Any edits made on the original link page will show up in subsequently generated subpages. If you like this guide, make sure to subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Notion and other technology. And don't forget to check out some of these videos we think you might enjoy.